My name is Phoenix, and this is Zandel. And today we're gonna make 3 different paper airplanes. And here are the supplies.
We're going to need 3 pieces of paper and scissors.
And for the scissors, you're gonna need parent supervision and permission. Alright, this is the first paper airplane. And the first step is to fold it in half, or I like to call this way the hot dog fold. And then the second step is to unfold it, and then you'll see this line down the middle. Third step, you're gonna fold the 2 sides, or the corners are touching the middle, and then you'll have something like this. And then the fourth step is you're gonna fold it down in half so it looks like this, and then you're gonna fold these 2 edges to the sides. And then you're gonna fold the middle part into the 2.
Basically just folding it up.
And then you're gonna fold it in half like this. And then you're gonna take one of the ends, push it down like this. Take the other one, do the same with that, and then unfold it, and you got a paper airplane. That's the first one.
The final product of the second airplane looks like the first airplane but flies differently. You're gonna take some of the top, fold it down, like this.
And try and make it as even as you can.
And then you fold it in half. Open it again. And then turn it over. You're gonna have to take the top parts and fold it into the middle. So if you look on the back, there's going to be a little flap. You're going to fold it down so you can see the flap and not these parts. Then you're going to flip it over
So you cannot see the flap.
and then you can take the other sides and pull them in to the middle line. Once you're done with this, turn it back over. Then fold it up. Fold the part with the flap up. Part with no flap and slide it into the flap.
You can just keep going.
Then you fold it in half. Take the other parts and make the wings. And you're done with the first one. Second. The third airplane looks nothing like the first or second. You're gonna have to fold it what I like to call burger style.
So they'll look big and not thin like a hot dog. And then you're gonna unfold it.
And take the top parts and put it into the middle. Then take the top part, fold it down, out to the middle after this part. Then fold up. And then fold down again. So it should look something like this.
That's the tricky part.
Then you fold it in half. You'll take the edges and fold them in. So it looks like this.
Wait, like this? Fold the edges like this?
Yep.
Thank you.
Then here's where you're going to take your scissors and make sure that on the outside parts you're going to cut to the middle and then cut again to the part, and you've got it.
This way, this way.
The exposed edge.
No, I'm gonna cut. And then you have the fourth airplane is done. So I would recommend doing this with a buddy who is good at making people airplanes.
Alright, now we'll have to test them. He's in the hallway. But, alright, that was it. They play with me first, they're holding me. This airplane will fall, going all the way over there, and we did a couple of things. Second plane. Stay with you. You don't always have to walk around. But it's not. I'm actually forward. 3, 2, 1. Got no little. So this was not something wrong. Upside. Supposed to be outside. So I think the first airplane is the best. And one outside, about 5 before this, and you have to walk slow. Up and walk slow. So